Made in China. Those three words now apply to commercial aircraft. This is the C919, China's first homemade commercial aircraft. Actually, it's a mock-up, but they're hoping to roll these off the production line within the next year. Now, China hopes that this will be its chance to break into the global aviation market and try to break the stranglehold of Boeing of the US and Airbus of Europe that have long dominated this industry. Let's have a little walk down the front. Now, this is homemade, but not in its entirety. The fuselage, wings, tail, all made here in China, but the engines and actually the systems are from foreign manufacturers. Right, let's go through first class. Even in communist China, there is a first class, and have a look at the cockpit. Now, China's now president, Xi Jinping, has sat in this seat. That shows you how important it is for the aviation industry and for China's political leadership that this works. It's a moment of huge national pride for China. The smaller jets this company have made have had a few problems in terms of meeting the very high standards demanded of the regulators in the US, but they hope the C919 is going to change all of that. Now, this will sell well here because the domestic airlines are on board. The key test of the C919 is, will foreign airline companies buy it? President Xi Jinping, he flies around the world at the moment on a Boeing 747. He hopes that one day perhaps he and even maybe you will be flying somewhere around the world in China's homemade commercial aircraft.